Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about habitats. Remember, a habitat is a place where an organism makes its home. Today, I am really excited because I'm going to show you a wonderful website from Arizona State University where you get to explore virtual habitats. It is incredible. I'll include a link to this website in the description of the video so you can find it just as easily as this video. Okay, let's take a look. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the website. It's called Virtual Biomes. Then I'm going to scroll down to find a biome or habitat I'd like to explore. The first one is a desert biome. So I'm going to go ahead and click that desert biome picture. That will take me right to the virtual habitat. Okay, let's explore. Listen. I can hear birds in the desert. That's pretty awesome. Now, some really cool things that you can do is first, you can move all around this habitat by just moving your mouse on the screen. Look at that. There are flowers in the desert. There's a tree. I see a big saguaro cactus. Wow. Now, you can also click those little marks there, and they'll take you to different places in the habitat. So I'm going to click that. Wow, look at that cactus. It's huge. Isn't that amazing? I can click the eye and it will tell me more. This says saguaro pleats. The pleats running up and down the trunk of the saguaro cactus contract and expand depending on how much water is stored inside. Cool. A fully grown saguaro cactus can soak up and store up to 200 gallons of water during a good downpour. That's awesome. I can also use the zoom in and make things larger so I can see them closer. Look at that cactus. I can zoom out so I can see more of what's around. So now if I go here, I can click other things. Look at that. There's a bird living right there in the cactus. That's so cool. What else can I see? All I need to do is move all around the virtual habitat to see. Look at those. There are holes in the saguaro made from woodpeckers. That's so cool. Then I can just keep moving around my mouse to explore more. It's pretty neat. I want you to take your time to explore different things in the different habitats. Then, after we've explored the habitat for a while, boy, that was an interesting noise. I want you to think about some questions. Let's take a look at those questions now. Okay, I want you to think, what might be a challenge for an organism living in this habitat? That desert habitat, what do you think? Yeah, it probably is finding enough water. What are some of the characteristics of the habitat? What did you notice when we were looking? I noticed it was really dry, right? You saw the ground. I didn't see water anywhere. And the plants and animals were kind of spread apart a lot, right? Yeah, those were some characteristics we noticed in the habitat. We also noticed those pleats on the cactus. That was a cool characteristic of the cactus. Okay, so why are certain organisms found in specific habitats? So since we just looked at the desert habitat, why are some organisms found there and not in other places? Why would you find the saguaro cactus in the desert and not maybe on a beach? Because of the amount of water, right? They're made to store water and to live in a dry place. Great thinking. The last question I want you to think about is, what features do the organisms living in the habitat have? Do the organisms living in the desert habitat have fur? Do they need fur to keep warm? Do they have stripes and spots? Do they have scales or rough skin? What colors are the animals living in that habitat? Those are all different features of the animals. I hope you had fun exploring habitats with me today, and I hope you go back to that website and take a look at some of the other habitats out there. I hope to see you again very soon.